Hi, it's time again for the weekly progress update, and this is week 16 na aking saxophone journey. And for this week, there was a class, so sobrang saya kasi nakakasabay na ako dun sa instructor, and kahit papano na adjust ko na yung counting, nagagamit ko na yung counting, but I still have to improve on sa tonguing, and kasi nagkakamali pa rin minsan, nag-squeak. So in proper positioning, maybe I need to change this neck strap para maganda yung ano. And also in update sa injury, hindi ko alam may injury ako dito, masakit yung muscle ko dito. I don't know if it's the saxophone or it's old age. Remember midlife na tayo, midlife saxophone crisis. And yeah, so yun, nagpapatuloy lang ako, and I think I've improved a lot. I can play I can play 4 sharps now. 3 sharps manageable na, kasi yung F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp, kaya ko na siyang mabilis ko na siyang ma-pick up. But yung A sharp, was it A sharp yung sunod? A sharp medyo hindi pa. So yun, kailangan ko pang practicein yung mga songs na may A sharp. But I'm quite happy dun sa progress. Patuloy lang. I think I can make this. And also, if I remember it correctly, at the start of this journey, I was trying to, yung goal ko is to play Through the Fire. Parang makukuha ko niyan kasi yung nakita ko 4 sharps lang sa, or 5. Remember, nasa 4 sharps na ako na key. So, malapit na. That's it for this week. So, paalam. See you next week.